Hi friends, today we're going to make special butter chicken. Start with the onion. Hi, हमारे सर क्या बात काय सर काय बोलतो बटर चिकन oh my
बटर चिकन.
सर हम बोल रोनी see you soon.
And what is this? What you're putting?
Onion and ginger garlic paste which we had made yesterday with khaskhas.
Oh my god. And now what you're putting? Oh, this is Amul butter.
I do chicken है ना 1 किलो अमूल बटर
Thick. Now this. And what is this? 2 tomato purees. Thick.
Special butter chicken. Come. Come.
Come. Look how he's coming. He's coming like this. He's coming. Putting on his.
Special butter chicken is going on. The muscle is getting fried nicely now.
It will blast on your face.
Finely chopped coriander. Wow.
Oh my god.
We have added a chicken to it. You can see.
Boneless.
Boneless chicken.
Breast boneless.
Tandoori.
This is Hawa.
Khawa.
Big Khawa. This is the special kesar of Dubai. Oh my god.
कारण काय हॅलो प्रॉब्लेम कसं आहे तुझा